this is Joanne. How are you today? I am coming to you with a Bramble Fox layout. I'm super excited about this. I brought a whole bunch of different things together. I have some Pinkfresh, some Hip Kit Club, and tons of Bramble Fox. So this is going to be fun. I also have some simple stories. We might see if we can use some of that. It all mixes and matches so well. And I am going to be scrapping some photos of the animals in my backyard. How cute is this? Look at the little ducks and their babies. So cute. That's a pond in my backyard. It was so fun watching them. She sat on her nest for a very long time until they were born, and then I have these two of, I think this deer was born in our yard last year because she's super tiny and seems too young to have babies of her own, but she's not afraid of us at all. And this is the best story. She was walking through the yard and she knows us, so she's not afraid of us. I mean, we don't touch her or anything, obviously, but she's not afraid of us, and so we always go out on our back deck to see them. And I said to her, I go, "What are you doing?" And she went up to the bushes that are on like this side of my yard, like tall grass, like here. And I was like, what is she doing? Seems like she really wants something in the grass. And all of a sudden, these two babies popped out. She probably left them there for the day or whatever. And oh my God, I almost started crying. It was so cute. They're so cute. And I said to her, I go, "Bring those babies up here so I can see them." I didn't think she was going to do it, and she did. I could not believe it. They were right next to us. I mean, we were on the deck and stuff, but I could not believe it. It was the coolest experience and very, very neat. I think I'm going to put the pictures on top of each other like that, maybe down a little bit more, only because I want to cover up the chair that's at my husband's fire pit there. So what's cool about this paper is that it has polka dot lines going across, so I can use that to make sure that my stuff is adhered down straight. So I really like that idea. But what I want to do before I do this is I'm going to use this awesome perspective from Bramble Fox, and it's the perfect green, isn't it? Incredible view. I'll put a picture of it up right here, and it also comes with 4 trees. Very cute. 2 of each of these trees. I think they're adorable. I'm just really loving the green. And I'm also going to use Bramble Fox Paper Snips number 32. Put a picture up here for you. Oh my gosh, so pretty, pretty, pretty flowers. You just fussy cut the paper snips, and it's very, very simple to fussy cut these. Very high quality paper and so fun. So I'm thinking I want this incredible view title perspective to be underneath this photo. Now I'm thinking that I really want to put some of the colors from these beautiful paper snips. Let me show you all the awesome colors that are in there. I mean, come on, how pretty, right? Love that. Went ahead and fussy cut that whole sheet right up. I sure did. I want to use some stamps. I'm going to use a Hip Kit Club Mixed Media stamps. And I have a couple colors picked out. I think they go really well with these two. Awesome. I like it. So I did that, and I'm just going to stamp them underneath the photos just to give it some color. And even if some of it gets covered up, I think it'll be okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to ink up one of these. Let's just try it in the pink. I'm not going to be too particular about where I put this, and it doesn't need to come out perfect because it's a mixed media stamp. So we're just going to go ahead and put some stuff down, put some there. Second generation down here. I'm just going to randomly place these around the page. Okay guys, I was getting my glossy accents ready and I forgot that I wanted to put these two fussy cut tags from one of the Hip Kit pattern papers on here. So I had to pull this up, and rather than have you watch me struggle with that, I just went ahead and did it. Okay, and I'm going to put little dots all over this just like that. I don't want to put it all over the place because then it'll seep through the letters because they are open letters. And you don't need a ton to adhere this down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right there. Get that off there. I'm going to hold it for a second and it'll be just fine. Okay, I'll put my top back on here. And that should be totally dry by now. Perfect. Okay. So like I said, fussy cut a ton of these florals, which I love. And because this photo is on foam, I'm going to need to put the flower on foam. So I'm just going to go ahead and start making floral clusters. Then I'm going to come in with this Paper Snip floral. I'm just going to put some glue on the back of it, little bits, so I don't want it seeping out all over my photo. And I'm just going to cover up that right there where it looks a little odd. Turn it a little bit because there's a lot of free space where the pond water is, and that's okay. I'll end up putting a strip of foam square underneath that just to give it some stability. And then let me see, let's get some pink in here. Yeah, cute. Next up, I have some leftover rub-ons from the Simple Stories Life in Bloom. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use them. So I'll just put some right here. See, hopefully we won't cover it up too much when we go ahead and put some more florals down. I'm just kind of guessing about where that would go. That looks cute. And I'm thinking a small cluster here to make a diagonal here, a diagonal this way, and I might even make a diagonal that way. We'll see. I just want to use this beautiful, beautiful stuff. So, let's see. I have this and this. Maybe if I just snip that off. And I'm going to have to lift this corner up a little bit, which is going to be kind of difficult, but I should be able to do it. And then let's put a purple flower on top here. And then what does that look like? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it looks kind of cool like that. I like it. We're going to put some leaves in that. So let me go ahead and put the glue on there now. And you can see that rub-on peeking out right there just a little teeny bit, and that's okay too. Let's put this right in the corner. I think that's adorable. Now I will put foam square underneath that, but in the meantime, let's just go ahead and fill in with some pretty leaves. I'm not sure. Let's put the leaves under here like this, as a layer in between the flowers. Yeah, I'm not minding that at all. I think we need one more down here. Yeah, I can get one right in there like that. That's adorable. Okay. But do I want to do that because the rub-on is there? I might not want to do that because the rub-on is there. So let's put it here. Let me see if that looks good. I don't mind it. Let's put some glue under that. Oh, I put way too much glue, so I'm not going to press really hard on that because, oh my goodness, didn't need that much glue on there. Okay. Yeah, I think that looks really nice with the leaves. It looks like they're coming from the top flower, and that gives it a nice layering effect. All right, look at this. It says beautiful moments. I mean, that's a perfect sentiment along with incredible view. Now, before I get too carried away with other things, what do we think about putting this right here? I don't see why not. There. And the cool thing about Bramble Fox is you can turn them, so you can have the tree going in this direction or the tree going in that direction. So perhaps I will slide it under this leaf. Give me some room here. So what do I have, a foam square under that too that I don't want? Well, I should have thought about that before, but I did not. So I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna snip that little baby right out of there. Yep, got him. Okay, now I can sneak this tree here. Let me see if I like that. And then let's get this other one in too. Might as well, because they're really adorable. Let me see if I like that. I like it, you guys. I think it's cute. Let's just look and see if maybe we would like it the other way better before we go ahead and use glossy accents. I think I like that. I like that combination a little tiny bit better. I think it looked quite good both ways. Again, just a little bit of glossy accents. Not a lot. That's how much I put in. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put that right in there like that. I do like to hold it for a moment to give the glossy accents a moment to adhere to the paper, especially in the summertime because it is so hot right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, and let's put that right there. And I do like the trees right next to each other because, you know, they would be right next to each other in the forest, right? Okay. I like that. So then I'm going to come in with a little bit of glossy accents on top and adhere the paper snips to the perspectives only because I don't want them to get caught on the page protector when you slide it in and rip. So I think that'll be just fine. That is looking adorable. All right, now in addition to this, I also made some butterflies, and I made that out of Pinkfresh Studio. It's called Small Butterflies. It looks like this. This is a stamp set, and it comes with stencils and a metal die, so you can make them be whatever color you want them to be, which is perfect. So I used the same ink that we did the mixed media, and I think that I'm going to go ahead and put some butterflies on here. Let's see, maybe tuck this little guy in here like that, maybe. Let me see. Yes. I love it. And then put him there. So let's, oh, you know what? It goes in really nice just like that. So I'm not going to lift it. I'm going to go ahead and adhere it right down, and then I'm going to slide this pink one in underneath so you'll never know that I cut it. Just like that. Okay, that looks good. There. I'm going to put this right up against that V, and before that dries, I'm going to go ahead and put some leaves in there super quick after I finish fussy cutting this one. Okay. And then let's do two different color greens. Sometimes I think it looks really great when you use two different color green leaves. And I'm going to hold the ends so they don't move on me and slide underneath, and then put some glue underneath here. All right, let's try to get a butterfly in. Should we put one there? I don't really think I mind that too much. That looks adorable. All right, glue only in the middle. Put it right there. Look at this one from the Paper Snips. Oh, I love it. I love me a curved flower. What's the best way to do this? That looks good. All right, we're going to put a little purple flower in this cluster here. just to make sure that we have the purple evenly distributed throughout all of the clusters. All right, we are going to put this darker pink flower in over here to finish off this cluster. I'm going to put some more leaves in there somewheres. I think just maybe a couple. And then we can call that cluster done. Yeah, that looks good. Put some glue on that. And then I've got one more here, and I'm going to guess that this is gonna look good there, so I'm just gonna do it. That's cute. Do I want another butterfly right there, or do I want one like here? I like that. Over there like that. Yeah, that's cute. All right, we're gonna do that. So they have a friend, and then it looks like mama and baby, doesn't it? Like the picture. Okay, my friends, the last thing we're going to do is some enamel dots. I put some splatters down with the same 2 ink colors we used before. I just did that off camera. So I'm using enamel dots from Noteworthy from Pinkfresh Studio. Pretty much they are exactly the same color as the florals in the Paper Snips. So perfect. So let's just use these up. I think I may have gotten these in a grab bag, so definitely time to use them. And I wonder if I should do some here. Either one would make a visual triangle, so I think I'll just go for it up here. And there you go. 3. Could put 4 if you wanted to, but I think we're good. So I just dropped my water bottle, and here we go, my friends. I am thinking this is super cool. I like how the green matches the green of the leaves. And now that I'm looking at this, I think that green splatters would look super good on this to bring out the perspectives a little bit more. So there's that. Look at the baby deer. And this Paper Snips are so awesome. And there's all those. I think I will do some green splatters. Yes, my friends, those green splatters added the final touch of exactly what we needed. I love it. I think this is ridiculously cute. I just love the way it came out. I love the photos of the wild animals in our backyard. So there you go, my friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will put close-ups at the end. I will also link all of the Bramble Fox products that I used today, and check out the upcoming August Fox box as well. I'll put a link to the Bramble Fox Facebook group below. Thank you so much for stopping by to see me. Have a good day. Bye.